So today we're going to talk about logarithmic properties, and depending on where you look in the internet, there's 3 or 4 properties, but we're going to stick with these 3. And because logarithms are another way of writing an exponent, these properties coincide with exponent rules. So this first one says the product property of logarithms. Well, if we have log base b of m plus log base b of n, so notice that they're both the same bases, and that's important. Product means the answer to a multiplication. So this would be log base b of m times n. That's our first property. The quotient property, well, if you think about quotient, when we divide terms with exponents in them, what we do is we subtract, and quotient means the answer to a division problem. So log base b of m minus log base b of n is the same, or can be condensed here, so to speak, into log base b of m divided by n. So if we know what product means, we know what quotient means, those can be helpful when we're working with the properties and remembering the properties. And our third property here is probably one of the most used properties. It's called the power property. And what happens is we take the exponent here and we make it a coefficient. So when we simplify with a power property of logarithms, log base b of m to the n becomes n log base b of m. Just as an aside, I do use it sometimes, but not all the time. It doesn't matter if we're dealing with log or we're dealing with ln. Common logarithm with the base of 10, natural logarithm with a base of e. These same properties apply.